This is Sanjay Kumar. Now we are going to we are going to study or analyze to the report of the interest test and aptitude test. So recently, those who given the exam, those who given the SSC board exam, Maharashtra State Board's exam in the March. Okay, so that all members they are given the interest and aptitude. So recently means I think in month of May, all means government declared its report, interest report, and I hope all of you friends, my students, all you have seen the reports. So, uh, but most of member may be confused about the reports. What is the interest and what is the aptitude? They don't know that much information. So some members dropped a message to me, and I realized that it is necessary to make one video on analyze of the these curl reports. Okay. Otherwise, we can say it interest test report. It is for the Maharashtra State Board SSC State Board given students only. Okay, so it is beneficial by this course, otherwise by this video, it's beneficial to choose your favorite interested field and you can do your careers in that same field. Okay, so that's why I'm going to you here introduce to the report, analyze to the report, and introduce various fields means according to your interest. Okay, so how to realize, how to analyze these reports? So we are going to our window. Okay, so through this window, we are going to analyze report. I am here in this window. I am going to show you one reports. Okay, reports of the one member. So just I have it downloaded, and I hope you all members have downloaded it. Okay, so just I'm showing it. You can see it. This report is there getting download. Okay, so a student is there. Okay, so that student report is there. So I am being his name, hiding his name. Some members may be seen it, but no problem. You all members I think got like these reports. Okay, so कल अभिक्षमता चाचणी कल अभिक्षमता अवॉर्ड 2020. So one by one we will go to analyze this report. How is this report? So standard 10 students of state board appeared for the कल and अभिक्षमता चाचणी in Marathi called it, and it held at school level. All student had given it. Okay, this test assess your inclinations towards seven fields. Means this test shows your interest of various seven fields. Suppose agriculture is there, another uniform services. Means your interest and your aptitudes in four areas respectively. Means we are going to study here. We are going to analyze here. You already given the test, and in this test your interest will be in this report, your interest captured there, and it is displayed in this report. Means by the your test, this board capture your interest by the test, and aptitude also, your aptitude means four areas various questions were included in the test, and according to the test your aptitude also means aptitude test you had given. So that test report here displayed. Okay, one by one we'll analyze. Is the assessment will help you make informed career choice and guide you to a higher education options for after state standard. And hope in the next month, I know that your result will be means in the last week of the July, means after the 10 to 15 days your result is going on to display, otherwise going on to release. Due to this pandemic COVID-19 situation became very miserable. I hope you all are the same. You are staying home, and you are doing further for your career or your education. So seven fields are there. So it will help to you to which field you have to select. Okay, where is your interest? So here I am showing you that the interest test result is there. So I hope you all got like these same type of reports. Okay, so through these reports you are getting, but you are getting this type of reports. Okay, so how to analyze this type of report? So we are observing here. Okay, so here interest test, one by one we will analyze it. So based on your interest responses, this graph represents your interest in 7 field. Means there are 7 field, and you have given the test. According to that test, your interest capture here through this test, and your interest means various 7 fields are there. Like the agriculture is shown here. This is the agriculture. After that, we can say agriculture. Again, another one field is that arts or humanities, commerce, fine arts, health and life sciences, technical and uniform services, means technology like engineering. Various fields are there, but when we are giving means when we are taking the admission, when you want to pursue the admission in the 11th class, so there is many more times types of confusion is there. They don't know that they were inborn skills, their interests. So roughly we are going there in the colleges, we are listening to our means recommendation for teachers, friends. So my friend is going in this 11 science, 11 commerce, arts, iti, various polytechnic, various fields are there. So according to we are taking the admission and we are doing the career, otherwise whatever. So but it is very well to know the our interest and our capability. Interest is most necessary if you're doing any work. So if you are interested in it, so we'll do it very means very fantastic. Okay, so for that, one by one, one members, one specimen copy is there of the report, one member's report is there. So this report will analyze here agriculture fields, these green colors, this bar graph is given there. Okay, it is agriculture shown there. So 30 points means the weight is given there, 30 is there. Again, here art and humanities is there, it is 20 is here, 20 means is given there. These uh, grades, otherwise this point what is showing we are going to study. Okay, then commerce is there, it is 20. Then fine arts is 25, health and life sciences 40. Then technical is 5, means technology, and uniform services 5. Means this way, this 30, this 20, 50 plus this 20, 70, 70 plus this 95, 40, and this 10. So this way various fields, your 7 fields your interest is shown here. Okay, for example, your completely interest is there in the agriculture. So out of the 100%, so your 30% aptitude, otherwise your sorry, your 30% interest is there in agriculture. Okay, so second is the art and humanities. So these members interest in the art and humanities is 20%. Okay, then afterward commerce, this member shows, means this report indicates that these members 20% interest in the commerce. Then fine arts is shown there. This means the report according to this color. So light blue is there. So it is showing the 25 points, means percent out of 100%. 25% interest indicates in the fine arts. And oh yes, look this, 40% is there. Yellow colors bar graph is there. It is showing that health and life sciences, means uh, out of this, among these 7 fields, these member most interest in first priority of their interest, means most he is interested. This report, if it given their interest is their own and well, so it's this report, this test according to this report indicate that these members much interest is in life sciences. Means he should have to choose the medical field or life sciences, biotechnology and medical sciences. Then second option is that the agriculture is there. Agriculture is there. In agriculture, this member showing the interest. It is 30%. Then afterward, next third is that fine arts. Also, there are two types. Means various types are there in the arts, but here fine arts it includes again two types. So one by one, agriculture, arts, humanities, commerce, fine arts, and health sciences will discuss here one by one. Means we will make independent separate video. We will make I will make the separate video on these everyone. Okay, so these they are the interest. So according to this bar graph, you are understanding that your interest here. I hope you understood this. Your interest 30% in agriculture. Some members it will means every members will be vary. Some members interest will be 90% in uniform services. Those who likes the uniform, defense forces, police services. So their interest will be in the means there will be 90%. Some members interest will be same to same in two fields. Okay, so what should be done that time? But this it is clearly mentioned here in this report. It is clear that in this report I am showing it. It is clearly shown that these members most interest in the life sciences or health and life sciences. Okay, so next we are moving toward the aptitude test. So what is the aptitude test? So you already given it, but little we will move towards it. So aptitude test result shown here. This member given the aptitude test, and these members these aptitude test grades are very nice. Is there? Okay, so we'll watch it. Based on your aptitude test means this member test response. This graph represent your scores in four areas of aptitude. Okay, verbal, logical, spatial, and numerical. So this four field for his verbal ability, logical ability, and spatial and numerical. So means its aptitude means capability captured here, and it is shown by this bar graph. See the table below to check which category you assess aptitude falls in. Means these members are looking wonderful numerical aptitude. These members 90% numerical aptitude means most of questions means he having it showing that he having most aptitude. Otherwise we can saying that he having more interest, and his aptitude is means numerical aptitude is very excellent, 90% showing there. Then spatial, like the aeronautics related aeroplanes related, so it's spatial means Marathi is saying that Avkashi Shamta, so spatial aptitude is 20%. Then after what? Verbal aptitude, language related, he can understand the language. Okay, after verbal aptitude, understanding the language, studying of language, whatever, so means that skills he having 65%. It is also nice. Means here shown that above average means from the 65 to 100 is above average. Okay, so average is there from the 30 to 65 is the average, and less than 20 it is necessary to we have to more practice. And this aptitude means by the practice these logical aptitude, spatial, numerical, and verbal, these can be improved there. Okay, and this to do the career, otherwise to get the top in various field, to do the further study you should have to this means capability, otherwise you should have to these skills, otherwise we can show that this ability should be there. Okay, so this ability can be earned there, can be learned there, getting it. So here next is that you have studied that analyze here numerical, so 90% is there means there is no any kinds of doubts, this member having excellent in the numerical. Second is the logical is also very nice, 65 means more than average is there, but he is excellent in the numerical aptitude, so it is necessary to him special aptitude, so his practice, otherwise he should have to improve, but he doesn't having that much interest, so their report, otherwise their result is less. Again here verbal it is also important, and logical it is also most important, so it is average is there. Okay, so this way everyone's again we are showing explain here range and category. So those who are having less than the 33%, those whose grade otherwise percentage is means in aptitudes each fields. Okay, four fields are given there, so that each fields or each areas these points, those who are having less than 33%, so it is necessary to he have to improve it. For example, suppose this member decided to go for the medical sciences. He want to pursue the MBBS, he want to do the MBBS. So for that, he required these four fields aptitude. Means he should have, otherwise he should acquire more than the 33%. Means 33 points in all these fields. For means he should have to acquire average grades. Getting it? And 67 to 99 is extraordinary. Means it is a excellent. So if your interested field is there, for example, some members interest means those whose report showing that interest in the uniform services, so he should have this ability. If his interest is zero, means his interest showing that his capability to go that to select, otherwise to choose that fits. So this members aptitude is very nice here in this numerical aptitude. So, okay, so to learn more about career in all fields of interest before making an informed career choice, please pause the videos on the different interest fields, career magic framework, expert advice, read articles and search for course on www.mahacareermitra.com or the Mahacareer Mitra app on your Android phone. So this is the completely thanks for the Maharashtra government, Maharashtra State Secondary and Higher Secondary Educational Board, Maharashtra State Educational Research and Training Council means Vidya Pradhikaran Pune and SIF means Shamchi Ai Foundation. These all are these made means these project of the interest test, and it is very beneficial to choose the career. Yeah, sometimes what happens, we goes in 11th completes anyway 11th 12th, and afterward number of students are there those who have completed their education but they doesn't have any kinds of job, they are unemployed. Okay, so for that, from the first means from the initial, they should have to choose their career according to their interest and their capability. Means interest should be there in that field, their capability should be there, and opportunity should be there. For example, someone decided he want to become a defense officer, army officer. So for that, he should have to good physical health. Okay, he should have to good mental health, and as well as he should have to this aptitude means this type of skills ability. His ability should be there. His physical should be good, so he can do this. For the physical test, he should have to physical ability, for the return test he should have to these aptitude means all various areas capability, numerical aptitude should be there, logical capability should be there, and verbal should be there, and spatial is also there, so he can do the nice career. So hope you understood this. For all these field, agriculture, arts, humanities, commerce, fine arts, health and life sciences, technical and uniform services. For that, we will make the independent video. If you like this, so if you any doubts is there, so you can drop the comments. Otherwise, you can call me. I can solve your problem. I can help you. Okay. So and you can share it to your friends. Thank you.
Udah mas pengen bodybuilding